Hi, this is Lavanya. Now I'm going to take a topic in artificial intelligence. In that particularly we are going to see about a chapter of intelligent agents. In that intelligent agents, the first topic we are going to say about here it is a good behavior, the concept of rationality. So before we are going into the concept of rationality, we have to know a few introduction about an agent. An agent should act as a rational agent, and rational agent is the one that does the right thing, that is the right action will cause the agent to be the most useful in the environment. Next, it is a performance measures. A performance measures embodies the criterion for success of an agent's behavior. As a general rule, it is better to design performance measures according to what one actually wants in the environment, rather than according to how one thinks the agent should behave. Performance measures comes here, we have to know about the PEAS. So P here the performance, E here the environment, A it is an activators, S it is a sensors. So this PEAS is very important for the rational agents. Next, what is rationality? What is rational at any given time depends on four things. The performance measures that defines the criterion of success, the agent's prior knowledge of an environment, the actions that the agents can perform, the agent's percept sequence to update. The definition of the rational agent: for each possible percept sequence, a rational agent should select an action that is expected to maximize its performance measures given the evidence provided by the percept sequence and whatever built-in knowledge that the agent has. That is the task of the rational agent, is to improve the performance measures depends on percept sequence. Next, it is omniscience, learning and autonomy. Successful agents split the tasks of computing the agent functions into three different periods. When the agent is being designed, some of the computation is done by its designers. When it is deliberating on its next action, the agent does more computations, and as it learns from experience, it does even more computation to decide how to modify its behavior. An omniscient agent knows the actual outcome of its actions and can act accordingly, but omniscience is impossible in reality. A rational agent not only to gather information but also to learn as much as possible from what it perceives. The agent initial configuration should reflect some prior knowledge of the environment, but as the agent gains experience in this may be modified and augmented. So when I am going to say about the omniscience, learning and anatomy, first of all the agent should have a rational agent. So rational agent here is the PEAS, the performance, environment, activators and sensors. So when the agent has been given to the particular environment, it should receives and perceives from that environment, and then it should, with the help of activators, it should able to give an actions to that environment through all those things with the help of sensors. So omniscience is very difficult for the rational agent. Even though learning is adaptable one, autonomy is very difficult for the rational agent, but those omniscience and autonomy has to be given to the rational agent by ourselves. Next, it is an omniscience, learning and autonomy. A rational agent should be autonomous. It should be learn what it can to compensate for partial or incorporate prior knowledge. Concentrate implementation running on the agent architecture. So with this, I am concluding that the good behavior, the rational agent concept, it is purely based on the rational agent, how we are developing and how we are making that rational agent to develop with the help of the good behavior and the reading or learning of the performance, and then it should be act with the environment with the help of activators. All those things has been done with the help of only the sensors. So how the sensors will be working means with the help of the percepts which is observes from the environment. So far we have seen about the types of agents and types of environment. All those things are be given as a good behavior, the concept of rationality. With this I am concluding it up.